And our chapter is air around us. Properties of air. See, we already know we cannot see air, but we can feel it. So, air it is colorless. It has no color and also taste, but it is transparent. See, for example, if you are moving on a road, okay, so you can easily see the other things which is on the road because air is transparent. Air occupies space. Air exerts pressure. Air has weight. Air exerts force. Air takes the shape of the object it fills. These are all few properties of air. Availability of oxygen in water and soil. See, we often will get a doubt that how animals under the soil and also in water are able to breathe. See, because both soil and water have air dissolved in them. See, for example, air bubbles can be seen in water when it is heated, no? So when we heat or boil water, we can easily notice some bubbles starts to form. Actually, these bubbles are just an indication that air molecules are present in water. So when water is heated, the air dissolved escapes first and then again it is converted into vapor. Like this only underwater animals breathe. Availability of water in soil. See, to see the presence of water in soil, you can just take a lump of soil in a beaker and you can pour water into it. You can you can notice some bubbles coming out. Okay, so it proves that existence of air molecules in soil. So water is added, it displaces the water molecules in the soil, which we see in the form of bubbles. So animals makes use of this air to breathe through the soil. Some animals make holes like burrows in the soil to make pathways to enter into the soil. Actually, when it rains heavily, no, that time earthworms and some other animals come out of the soil because their pathways gets blocked by the water. So they need air to breathing purpose. They'll say they'll come out during rainy season. Air particles present in soil. See, 45% of mineral is present, 25% of air, 25% of water. The remaining 5% is filled with organic matter. Answer the following. Write the properties of air. How do animals that live in soil get oxygen for breathing? Do the following activity and record it. Refer chapter 15, Air Around Us, Activity 2, Activity 3 and Activity 6.